We are driving to the airport, international airport in Isfahan, heading to Qeshm Island for this first leg of our south of Iran adventure. So anyway, we were on board, sat down, buckled up, we're ready to take off. We should be in Qeshm, what, in an hour and a half or so?
Less than an hour, probably an hour.
We'll get there when we get there, I guess. What?
An hour and a half. We Is this mask? Is not mine?
Is this mask? Alright, see you when we get there.
Our flight at the Qeshm Island airport is estimated 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we shall be cruising at an altitude of 29,000 feet.
We just took off from Isfahan and we're about to land in Qeshm, which is the biggest island of Iran. It is right at the center-ish of the Strait of Hormuz. It's a very large, strategic, and sort of untouched, really. Like, Qeshm hasn't been touched until, I don't know, 50, 60 years ago.
Yeah, actually started developing 10, 15 years ago.
Yeah, it was definitely after Kish. Overspills of Kish basically went to Qeshm, and Qeshm began developing. We're gonna land there in a little bit. We have to take cab to the main port of Qeshm, take the ferry to Hormuz, where we are planning to stay for the next 2-3 days. Hormuz is like, well, it's been a hidden gem for, all these years, and it's recently been discovered by tourists. I've been hearing about it for past, 4 or 5 years, and it's been definitely on top of my destinations that I wanted to go.
We wanted to stay at Khaliij for like a couple of days and then later on go to Hormuz and Hengam for the next 3 to 4 nights. So basically we changed our plans because Mustafa, the tour guide and hustler who is actually our host in Hormuz, he recommended to visit Hormuz first because he had a special plans for us. I got a gut feeling that it's gonna be great.
I'm definitely looking forward to that bike tour. The other thing we have planned is going to Hengam, right? What do you know about Hengam?
Hengam, basically I don't know much about Hengam, but I think it would be actually a beautiful adventure because basically we don't know much about it, and it's gonna be a great surprise actually, I think. I don't have anything to add. You just said it all.
I'm sorry.
It's all good.